Hi guys, it's Sofie. Welcome back to our channel. So today I'm just going to be showing you guys how I achieved this really warm, vibrant look. So if you guys are interested in knowing how I achieved this look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. So the first thing I'm doing is priming my eyelids, and I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape in the color Light. And I'm just applying that all over my lid, and I'm also setting it with some translucent powder. And for today's look, I'm using the BH Cosmetics X Sylvia Gani palette. First, I'm going into this shade right here called Prince, and I'm just applying this on my brow bone. And this is by far one of my favorite brow bone highlights at the moment. I always reach for it, I always pick it up. Super, super pigmented, super intense. And then next, I'm going into this shade right here called Ginger, which is a really orange, warm transition color. And I'm just buffing this into my crease and kind of rounding out that outer corner. So I'm not doing a cat eye type of look. I'm really rounding out and just really hugging the natural shape of my lid. And then next, I'm going into this shade right here. It's like a burgundy cranberry color. And I'm picking up this angled brush by Morphe. And I'm just applying this into my crease and going in left and right motions. And I'm just really making sure that that line is nice and precise, because this is going to be a really precise cut crease type of look. Next, I'm picking up this tapered brush and going back into that ginger shade, the first transition shade that we applied. And I'm just going in left and right motions and just really diffusing that line. And we're definitely going to be building some depth into this crease. So I'm definitely going to be doing a lot of blending in between every step. Next, I'm going into this shade right here called Bear. And I'm going into this really, really defined angled brush. And I'm just applying this onto the outer corner. Next, I'm picking up an even smaller tapered brush and some more of that cranberry shade, and I'm just going in left and right motions and just diffusing that dark brown shade even more and just making sure that everything is nice and diffused. And then I'm going to be going back into the first ginger shade and my big fluffy brush that I used for my transition color the first time. And I'm just kind of doing this to just make sure that all of the edges have a nice gradient, and just to make sure that everything's really, really blended. I tend to do this in between every single step just to make sure that that edge is really, really diffused. And then next, I'm picking up my Tarte Shape Tape in the color Light and this really defined angled brush, and I'm just carving my lid and also applying a nice even base all over my lid as well. And then I'm going into this really, really pretty bronzy shade in the shade Queen. And I'm just applying this all over my lid. And as you guys can see, this shade is absolutely stunning. I love going into bronzy shades like this. It's probably one of my favorite things for brown eyes as well. And then next, I'm going into the cranberry shade, and I'm just diffusing that onto the outer corner. And then with this small pencil brush, I picked up that Bear shade, the dark brown shade. And I'm just kind of smudging this onto the outer corner just to give this look some more dimension and some more depth in the outer corner. And then I'm going back into this really big fluffy tapered brush, and I'm just using this brush to blend the dark brown shade into the cranberry shade. And then for my winged liner, I went in with my Urban Decay Perversion liner. And then for lashes, I'm applying my Shop Sofie Bao lashes in the style Bali. If you guys want to check those out, the link will be in the description box down below. And then for my waterline, I went into an eyeliner by The Balm. And then for my lower lash line, I'm just pretty much applying the same shades that we applied in the crease. So first that ginger shade, and then that cranberry shade, and then that dark brown shade. And I'm blending in between each of those steps with this smudgy brush just to make sure that everything is nice and diffused. Don't forget to blend out your lower lash line because it's just as important as blending up top. And then I'm just going into my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And then for my inner corner highlight, I went into that same shade that we applied on the brow bone. And then I'm just running my spoolie through some bar soap and then through my brow. And this is the finished look. I really, really hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. And also guys, If you guys are new to our channel, we have monthly giveaways here. So every single month we ship a box to one of our subscribers. So if you want to be automatically entered, just make sure that you're subscribed. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you turn your post notifications on, so hit that bell button and then comment done in the comment section. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!